Hello guys, I would like to show you our application for the Intersystem Grand Prix 2022, which we call Megazord. If you was a kid or was forced to watching TV with some kid in the 90s, probably you may remember about the Power Rangers TV show. In such show, there were a set of cool vehicles called Zords, and in order to fight against powerful enemies, all the Zords would join together, creating a giant fighter robot called Megazord. And so is our application, a joint of cool applications that we had developing along several contests ago. Actually, now I would like to talk about one specific feature of it, the Flow Editor. The Flow Editor is a kind of wizard to simplify the process of creating an IRIS interoperability production. Basically, we provide a set of nodes, which we called flow nodes, and a workspace where users can link those nodes in order to design a flow for information processing. For now, we just have a small library with a few flow nodes created to our MVP. But as we had designed our flow engine to map flows into IR productions, we used pre-existing IR's interoperability business hosts like business servers and business operation. So we believe that we can increase our library of nodes by adapting business hosts created by InterSystem and by third parties as well. As a simple example, let's create a flow where we expected to waiting for the message from a Telegram bot, process such message by just adding a prefix in it, and finally send back this processed message to Telegram. Let's call it user dot my production one. Okay, so first we need to add a from Telegram node. This node will be mapped to a business service, which will ask a Telegram bot for messages and send those messages forward when they arrive. Okay, now we have to process those messages. So let's add a simple echo operation node and link it to the from Telegram node. Um, the simple echo operation node just add a prefix to its input, simulating a generic process. Now we can process every message that came from Telegram. Okay, and now we had to send back to Telegram our process messages. Let's do it by adding a to Telegram node. Let's do some arrangement here. Okay. Um, and link it to the simple eCooperation node. Cool. As you can know, each node has a set of attributes, or better, a set of properties encoded using JSON. For this MVP, we just put such JSON in a text area with any formatting. So let's copy some properties here and using a better way to formatting. Okay. As we can see, we have the properties needed to use by Telegram bot API as the SSL configuration and a credential configuration where we store the Telegram bot API key. Okay, now let's map our flow to a production. But first, let me show you that we hadn't any production with our flow name in our IRIS instance until now. Right. Now let's map our production by clicking the generate button and check out if we have our production here. And okay, we have our user.myproduction1 here. So let's explore that production. As we can see, all nodes and properties in our flow were mapped to business hosts and their properties. For example, here we have the from Telegram node, which was mapped to a from Telegram business servers. We have the credentials, the SSL configuration, and so on. And the, the the sequence of the nodes were mapped to the target configuration, as you can see here. For example, the from Telegram servers was mapped to was the target pointed to the simple echo operation, and the simple echo operation has a target to the to Telegram operation. Those properties are inferred from the link between the nodes. This is one of the special features that we had implemented to make possible mapping a simple flow definition into IRIS interoperability productions. Okay, cool. But does it work? Let's check it out. First, let's start our production. Okay, we can see logs were created here by our production. And now let's send some message using the Telegram bot, we which we configured in our flow to talk it to. So let's send some message. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. And cool. We got the message processed by the simple echo operation node. And okay, guys, that's what I would like to show you for now. I hope you had enjoyed and see you next time. Bye.